This is funny. So funny. Hello everyone. Right now I am in the car. I got my drone, a second-hand drone. I have been looking so many videos of that drone on the net, on YouTube. I know it's a good drone. For me it's like a Christmas evening right now. I'm so excited. I really want to learn, but today the only thing I want to find out today is to start and stop, make the simplest way of commands on that drone. So in next step I will try to learn more about camera and settings on that. I hope you can like, subscribe, and please make a comment if you have any good ideas for me, how to do things. It can be about camera, it can be about how to faster learning driving this drone, but I guess to drive the drone is to learning by doing. I will take it step by step. I don't want to crash it. So please like, subscribe and make a comment. Thank you. And there we go. Håller på.